Hi dear friends, welcome to our channel Infinity Learn Mathematics in a simple way. In this video we are going to learn remaining formulas how to use at the time of differentiating the functions. So let us try to understand how to use the derivative of tan x, derivative of tan x, derivative of tan x with respect to x is what? Sec square x. Yes, this we are going to learn now. Instead of this x, he may be given what? Root x. Instead of x, e raised to x, root x, log x, or a raised to x. You may give the what? These functions also. So if these functions are attached with the what? Tan, such functions are called as what? Composite function. A function which contains function of a function or function within a function are called as what? Composite functions. So to differentiate such type of the function, we have to differentiate till the end of the function. So let us try to understand derivative of tan 2. If y is equal to tan 2x, y is equal to tan 3x, y is equal to tan 4x. So first of all, we are taking these four problems to understand how to use the what? Formulas of what? Derivative of tan x. So as we know that derivative of tan x is what? Sec square x. Yes. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. This derivative of tan x. Instead of x, what is your 2x? Derivative of tan is what? Sec square x. Instead of x, what is your 2x? And derivative of this x is what? 1 into 2, 2 we are writing backside. So once again, derivative of tan is what? Sec square x. Instead of x, what is your 2x? And this is the coefficient of x is what here 2. After differentiating, write this 2 as a coefficient of what? Sec square, that is backside we are writing. So differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. So derivative of tan is what? Sec square x. Instead of x, what is here? 3x is there. We have to write the what? 3x. And derivative of this x is what? 1. 1 into 3, 3. This 3 we are writing here backside. So differentiate with respect to x. Yes. Y. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Derivative of tan is what? Sec square x. Instead of x, what is here? 4x. Write 4x here. And derivative of x is what? 1. 1 into 4, 4. 4 we have to write in the backside. Yes. So let us take 3 to 5 more examples on the same type by taking the what? Different values of x here. Y is equal to tan root x. Y is equal to tan e raised to x. Y is equal to tan log x. See here in these problems, instead of x, what is here? Root x is there. Here instead of x, e raised to x. Here instead of x, log x is there. So we have to know the what? First derivative of tan, then derivative of root, then derivative of x. Here derivative of tan, derivative of e raised to x, then derivative of x, derivative of tan, derivative of log, then derivative of x with respect to x. These functions are going to differentiate 3 times because till the end we have to differentiate. That is, we are for these type of problem we are applying the what? Chain rule. We have to differentiate the function till the end of the what? Function. So let us differentiate it now. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is what here? Dy by dx. Derivative of tan sec square x. Instead of x, what is here? Root x. So keep root x as it is. Now derivative of root x is what? 1 divided by 2 root x. So I am not writing 1 here because 1 into sec square root x is what? Sec square root x. I am directly writing derivative of root x is what? Divided by 2 root x. 1 into sec square root x is what? Sec square root x. Then derivative of x is what? 1. Derivative of x is what? 1. Then dy by dx is equal to sec square root x divided by 2 root x. Yes. So let us take the what? Second problem here. Differentiate with respect to x. So better I have to draw here what? One line so that the confusion will not be there. Where is it? To draw the line. Wait a moment, I will draw the what line here. This is different and this problem is different, so that it is not going to be mixed here. Yes, differentiate this one here. On differentiating, derivative of y is what here? Dy by dx. So we know that derivative of tan is what? Sec square x. Sec square, instead of x, what is here? E raised to x. Write e raised to x here. E raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is what? E raised to x, and derivative of x is what? 1. So dy by dx is equal to 1 into e raised to x is what? E raised to x. E raised to x into sec square e raised to x is what? E raised to x sec square e raised to x. Yes, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Derivative of tan is what? Sec square x. Instead of x, what is here? Log x is there. Write log x. Derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. I am directly writing here what? Divided by x. And derivative of x is what? 1. It doesn't matter to write the what? 1. Yes, because 1 into sec square log x is what? Sec square log x. So come to the what? One more problem on the what? Tan. If y is equal to tan a raised to x, y is equal to tan a raised to x, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Derivative of tan is what? Sec square x. Instead of x, what is here? A raised to x. Then derivative of a raised to x is what? A raised to x into log a. Problem is over. It's very simple, dear friend. In the same manner, now let us try to learn how to use your derivative of cot x. Derivative of cot x. We know that derivative of cot x is what? Minus cosec square x. Derivative of cot x with respect to x is what? Minus cosec square x. Minus cosec square x. So instead of this x also, it may be given to you e raised to x. Wait a minute, this is not visible properly. So I can change the what ink here. Yes. Instead of this x, it may be given e raised to x or root x or log x or a raised to x. Yes. So let us try to know how to use this one. Y is equal to cot 2x. Y is equal to cot 3x. Y is equal to cot 4x. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. As we know that derivative of cot is what? Minus cosec square is equal to minus cosec square 2x, and derivative of x is what? 1. 1 into 2. 2 we are writing backside. In the same manner, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Derivative of cot is what? Cosec square. Instead of x, what is here? 3x is here. Write 3x. And derivative of x is what? 1. 1 into 3. 3 we are writing backside here. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx. Derivative of cot is what? Minus cosec square. Right here minus sign. Cosec square 4x. Derivative of x is what? 1. 1 into 4 is what? 4. Minus cosec square 4x into 4. So let us take few more problems by using the what? E raised to x and log x and all the things. Cosec derivative of cot e raised to x. Y is equal to cot a raised to x. Y is equal to cot root x. Yes. differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. As we know that derivative of cot is what? Minus cosec square x. Instead of x, what is here? E raised to x. Then this derivative of e raised to x is what? E raised to x. Derivative of x is what? 1. Then dy by dx is equal to 1 into e raised to x is what? E raised to x cosec square e raised to x. So differentiate this one with respect to x. Y will become what here? Dy by dx. Yes. Dy by dx is equal to derivative of cot is what? Oh, wait a minute. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square a raised to x. Then derivative of this a raised to x is what? A raised to x into log a. Into log a. Raised to x into what? Log a. Then this one differentiate with respect to x. A derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Derivative of cot is what? Minus cosec square root x. Derivative of root x is what? Divided by 2 root x. Then derivative of x is what? 1. So this is all about the what? Derivative of cot x. And last one more example on the derivative of what? Cot y is equal to cot log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx. Derivative of cos is what? Minus cosec square log x. Then derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. Then derivative of x is what? 1. So last step, dy by dx is equal to minus cosec square log x into 1 is what? Minus cosec square log x divided by what? X. So these are the what formulas. So hope you're getting the what all the formulas how to use it. So these are the what formulas. So I think this much is what very important to remember how to use the what formulas, and remaining problems remaining formulas that we are using directly, when at that time they will appear in the what problem. At the time of appear in the problem, we will use the what directly those problems. In the next video we are going to solve the what part A possible question for 1 marks, that is question number 5. In the next video with including the what previous year and most important problems are there. So keep go on watching our videos. Please like, subscribe and share, and give the what comment for our channel. Thank you so much.